Hello, home buyers. Here we come again with another exciting residential property called Green Tech O2, developed by Sri Aditya Square and is located near Patancheru, Hyderabad. Spread over 22 acres, Green Tech will house 274 duplex and triplex villas and offer world-class amenities including a rooftop swimming pool at the clubhouse. It is a HMDA approved project and received its RERA approvals in December of 2022. Now let's see how you can reach this property. From the city, drive towards Patancheru and enter Biramguda Kaman. It's about 8 kilometers from Kaman, and if you choose to take ORR, that is Outer Ring Road, you need to get down at exit 4 and it's about 6.5 kilometers from there. If you are someone like me who likes to blindly follow Google Maps, you might face some trouble reaching the site. Instead, search for NR Infra Ultimus and continue for about 1 kilometer from there to reach the site. Before we dig into the property, a quick background of the SAS builder. Founded in 2012, SAS has handled more than 15 projects over the last 11 years, but under the SAS banner, one can only see 3 ongoing projects. Now let's go to the site and see the current development stage. It was an eye-opener to see the speed at which the construction is happening at the site. With no development in the surrounding, the builders are still able to meet customers' expectation. The water tank is almost ready. Foundation work is completed for 80% of the houses. Lift foundation is ready for 30 odd villas. Slab work is completed. Staircase base is ready. And obvious, I was able to see a lot of manpower at the site to ramp up the construction. Due to the GT's location on black soil, it will sink slightly when it is loaded. So the builders are doing something interesting. The foundation of the pillars for these villas will be 20 to 25 feet deep as opposed to 3 feet to strengthen its base. The site had a huge well, like a step well, which is now filled for villas construction. The steel rods used for the construction are of TMT 550 and I could see brands like Dwarka and Grip. To save the construction cost, few builders use 16 mm rods in the corner of a pillar and 8 mm for the middle, but I was glad to see that all rods were of 16 mm thickness here. The internal roads will be of 30 feet, but if you choose a villa which is on the same line as clubhouse or the main entrance, you can enjoy the benefit of 40 feet wide road. Now let's look at some of the jazz that Green Tech is offering. Doors will have digital locks, transport facility to nearest IT hub and metro station, canal side park, tree resting zone, solar tree for car charging, external mosquito repellent and mobile charger, rainwater storing pot, biodegradable scrape dustbin, bird bus stop, and a robotic vacuum cleaner for each house, to name a few. Now let's look at what do we have in the surrounding. Proximity to the outer ring road is just 6.5 kilometers. You have 2 international schools, Silver Oaks, which you can literally see from the Green Tech, and World Delhi Public School. 1 engineering college, L&K, Med Diversity Park, upcoming apartments by Ashrita Constructions, and many other constructions including one from SAS Group. Let's now look at the price for Green Tech O2 Villas. At the time of recording this video, the sales team has proposed 3 price options. Number 1, if you want to pay 100% without any bank loan, the cost per villa will be 5,500 per SFT. If you want to pay 50% by self and 50% by bank loan, the cost per villa will be 6,500 and 8,000 per SFT if you wish to go for 80% bank loan or pay in installment. And here comes a surprise for you. If you wish to book a villa here and do not have negotiation expertise, we can help you get a jaw-dropping price. Finally, thank you for watching this video and please do remember to hit like, share and subscribe.